Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number X975XX. 36,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. To receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The Silverado seat 6 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottom, flips up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. Silverado is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. With backup camera, locking tailgate, heavy duty trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up the trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Pages with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats, cup holders and storage in the armrest. Applies up and out of the way for middle passenger. Additional storage below. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Silverado has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.